Hey guys, it's Jenny from Crazy Crafts. Just thought I'd make a quick video about what I'm doing next. So I bought these from, well actually got them free from Middendorps. But they're so heavy I can barely lift them because this is about 50 mil thick, which is so heavy I can't lift them. So what we're going to do is cut, sorry about the sheep, I'm going to cut part of this off. So I've started to make myself a circle jig cutter. So this piece goes inside the hole here. It's a pretty good fit, so I think it'll be close enough. I need to put it on here. So it goes in there. And then the router screws into this part here that I've cut for it. I checked it so it works, but it's not bringing it up at the moment. And so this turns all the way around like that. I think it'll be close enough. I did draw a line here that you won't be able to see if I get it in the light. I drew it with a pencil sitting against this edge. Of course, when I had got round that side, I had to go round there to keep it on the outside. So hopefully that'll take a lot of the weight off of them. Those sheep are incredible. And once that's done, I'll have these big donuts, like my sister called them. And hopefully it'll be a lot lighter and we'll be able to move them around then. So that's what's going on at the moment. And then these will be turned into the tables for the Wild West escape room I'm doing. And I'm just going to put some maybe 9 or 10 mil, whatever, plywood across the top of it so it'll hide the bolts and whatnot in the middle there. If I can get that metal piece out of the centre, that'll help, because that obviously all sticks up a little bit, whereas this sort of sits under. So if I put a piece on top of here, but just a thin piece, and I'm thinking to go out to about, I think these are 1200, so if I take it to a metre that should be plenty. And then we'll have the card game, the dice game and the chess game on it for people to solve. But yeah, if I can get that bit out, then the other piece should sit flat on top. Potentially I can bolt it in from the underside depending on how much room I've got. Anyway, that's where we're at the moment, so thanks for watching. I'll make this a short.